Hello, in front of me I've got Realme GT Master Edition. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning, enter Google Pay. Tap Get Started and tap on blue button at the bottom of the screen. Focus on Loyalty, Gift Card and Transit. Enter Loyalty and select your shop for loyalty card you want to add. For example, Tesco Poland. Now scan your card or enter details manually. Tap Save and it's done. Now let's go to gift card, select your shop and similar to loyalty card, write your card number, PIN, balance and notes. And the last way is public transport. If you are able to find your public transport selected, you'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your cards will appear here. If you want to remove them, enter one card, tap on three dots button and tap Remove. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.